Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see one logical problem. So the question is given: if 3 power x equal to 5 power y is equal to 225, then find the value of 1 by x plus 1 by y. So here some logic is there. That's why this problem is selected. So as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. Thank you. So here in this question, given 3 power x is equal to 5 power y is equal to 225. So here if you take algebraical method, so here you won't get the factors of 225. If you get the factors also, you won't get the x value, y value. So compulsory here you have to use logarithmic form, and then you have to solve this. So here first of all I am taking 3 power x equal to 225, and the second one 5 power y is equal to 225. Now taking logarithmic form, log 3 to the power of x is equal to log 225. Taking log on both sides. So here you will get a power formula. X log 3 is equal to log 225. In the same way, here also you can take log 5 to the power of y is equal to log 225. So y log 5 is equal to log 225. Now here x value is log 225 by log 3. Now if you take here y value is log 225 by log 5. Now he is asking to find 1 by x, 1 by y value. So 1 by x is equal to reciprocal of this log 3 by log 225. So 1 by y value is log 5 by reciprocal of this log 225. Now he is asking to find 1 by x plus 1 by y. 1 by x plus 1 by y is asking to find. So log 3 by log 225 plus log 5 by log 225. So if you add this two, so the denominator is same, log 3 plus log 5 by log 225. So this can be written as log 15 by log 15 square. 15 square will get 225. So here you'll get log 15 by 2 log 15. So log 15 get cancelled one time. So the value is 1 by 2. So therefore 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 2. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.